Praising him, he's the Lords of Lords. Conquering line of the tribe of Judah. Jah Rastafari, he's no fraud. Hailing him, he's the kings of kings. Praising him, he's the Lords of Lords. Conquering line of the tribe of Judah. King Selassie is the ruler. I know about naturality and I hail up Selassie. Actually, Rastafari reveal his divinity. No one could convince me on the search for 6 years. From the age of 16, after 22 years, I can see the supreme. I have reality and I have a dream. The scene as bright as a beam. Look at it, the spirit golden green. Golden green, golden green, golden green, golden green, golden green, golden green, green, green. Try everything to distract me from the King Rasta uprisings. It's so surprising. Truth must prevail. I'm not focused to fail. Well, like a ras, wearing red, gold, green, and a mass in your cultures. I'm in drugs, men, our trust. Power of the Trinity is the finest. Without His Majesty, we are the minors. Hail up the King, 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 hail up the King. Just to know the feeling that I feel that Jah Rastafari is real is amazing. Let me tell you, it's fair joy and celebration. Poems are praising, holy for hailing. Sunshine hailing in the occasion. Grateful for your guidance, direction. So thankful for your powerful protection. Jah Rastafari, that's my meditation and 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 meditation. Hailing him, he's the kings of kings. Praising him, he's the lords of lords. Conquering line of the tribe of Judah. Jah Rastafari, he's no fraud. Hailing him, he's the kings of kings. Praising him, he's the lords of lords. Conquering line of the tribe of Judah. King Selassie, 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 King Selassie.